Hey friends, this is Jessica here from Blue Willow Fine Art, and today I wanted to bring to you an art haul. I guess you guys can't guess what's in this box. This is something that I have not, typically do not work in, but I wanted to experiment with it and see how it's going to go. Without further ado, let's get started. It is the Faber-Castell Ploychromos pencil set. I typically do not do any colored pencil stuff. I do have some ink tints that I have done with the pencils along with the blocks, but not colored pencil per se. So this is definitely something new. They do have a set of 120, which is what I had purchased of the Ploychromos. They are oil based, whereas like your Prismacolor are wax based. So I really wanted to try a oil based product. So beautiful tin that it came in, and on the back it does have the colors on here. I'm probably going to do a color swatch maybe, and just in case you wanted to purchase them in the future and you did not want to pay this amount for the full set. These are around $200, so it is an expensive set. They do have more or less expensive sets that you can get, and then if I do the color swatches, then you can pick out the colors that you like, because I have not tried these yet, but I would assume they're a little bit different compared to actually what's on the tin. They're made in Germany, and gosh, let's open them up. Let's see what it looks like. Wow, they're absolutely beautiful. It comes with this booklet. Let's see what's in here. All right, so there is some history about the company that is inside this, and some information about the Ploychromos, some techniques. Different, of course it's in different languages as well. So really nice. Oh wow, there's a color chart here on the end, so that may be helpful. If I do the color swatch, I may end up just doing the color numbers, and then you would be able to look them up. That's awesome. So like white is 101 and ivory is color pencil 103. That may be a neat little idea if you guys choose to do that. Let's see. Oh yes, okay, they come in a set of 12. I've seen the set of 12 for around, $24. Sometimes you can get it a little under for the set of 12, and then if I do the color swatches, you can pick out colors from what you see, and instead of buying the whole set. There's a set of 24 you can get, a set of 36, 60, and 120. I want to say the set of 60 is somewhere around the $100 mark, I would imagine anyway. They don't have, let's say if you bought the 60, the first set of 60, then there's not like a second set of 60. In other words, you can buy half now and half later. So you could either do it individually or these sets. So it's clearly, it's up to you. I've seen the pencils individually, but I can't talk today. It's over it's over $2 something a pen or a pencil. So anyway, that's something that you might want to take a look at in the future if you choose to go this route. Wow, look at these. Aren't they? They're absolutely beautiful. So they already come sharpened. And okay, wow. So it does have, and there's little stars on it too. I will have to get into and see what the stars are. I would imagine it has something to do with Lightfast that's on there. Yeah, and see, even comparing. Wow, okay, so I don't know what all that is, and I'm sure there's something behind that, but nonetheless, those are absolutely beautiful. So probably what I'll do is I'll do one at a time. So it'll probably be 3 videos because, gosh, this is the whole set of Ploychromos. I don't want to bore you too much, but I'm a little bit nerdy like that, so I like doing color swatches. So those beautiful, oh wow, look at those shades of blue. Absolutely beautiful. And green. It looks like this is the tan. It's just a little bit flimsy. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them in the not the tan per se, but the little packages that they're in. They do have strings that you can lift up and lift each set out. I can't flip them over, but it feels like there's foam underneath. Oh wow, look at those. Those are beautiful too. Some beautiful shades. Those look like, you know, even skin tones and things. Silver and gold. So those are really, really nice. I wanted to spring out and get the whole set of these. I typically don't have the whole set of any colored pencil. I do have some Prismacolors that I have actually someone purchased for me and I have not experimented with yet, but I will be in the future. So if you'd like for me to do that, just please comment below, and I'll try to get on that and maybe do one at a time. And I'll probably give you the number, and that way you can just punch up, you know, whatever the number, or look for that when you're ordering, if you decide to. Very, very nice set. Some other things that I got because I absolutely love watercolors, which I kind of dabble in different mediums, but I got this Daniel Smith watercolor Primatech set. Been eyeballing this for quite some time. So I do not have any of these colors, and it's 6 tubes. They are 5 ml each, and I won't butcher. If I pronounce all these, I will probably butcher some of them. So I will save you the grief from that. But they're very, very nice, beautiful colors that I'm going to try. I hope they're beautiful. And something else that I have purchased is the Essential set. I have done a little bit of research about the Essentials set, and sometimes people want to get this set so they can mix basic colors instead of buying, you know, colors that are already pre-mixed or different shades of. You can mix your own. Certainly you can mix anyway to some degree, but some people just want to start out with this. So very, very nice. I'm kind of curious to see how this is going to go, because I already have some of the Daniel Smith, but I do not have all of the Daniel Smith stuff. So, and I will never have all the Daniel Smith stuff. It's just, I just like colors here and there, but I was really curious about these. So, I wanted to try them out and kind of give some people some ideas on this, just in case you want to buy or try Daniel Smith. It's another set of beautiful artist grade watercolors. So, and last but not least, I purchased the dot set. So it's 238 colors of the Daniel Smith, it's the samples of the color packet, or different colors that they have. It's got some information down here on the bottom. I'm going to probably bring to you a card at a time, because they're 238 dots. That's a long video. So break it up just in case you're looking for shades of whatever's on the first sheet. So it looks like we got some yellow and orange and some reds on the first. Not sure what's on the rest, but I think there's 3. Yeah, it looks like there's 3 sets of these. Let's open it up and see. It will show, let's see, non-staining or low staining, medium, high staining, or granulation, which is what I'm looking for in particular. Granulation, it'll have an N or a Y. So, you know, this Quacridone Coral has an N, so it doesn't granulate. But anyway, I may take, I don't know how I'm going to get that on there so I can show you guys a picture. But definitely we'll go over the colors anyway, and if you decide that you want to look a little more and find out, you know, about its transparency or its light fast rating, then of course go onto just an art website, or go onto Daniel Smith website and check it out. But it's nice to see what it's going to look like on paper once, you know, it's, because I have seen, you know, I mean, just even this, you take what's on here on this box. I would imagine the colors look a little bit different once you get them on watercolor paper. So that's what I'm talking about. Even though they're beautifully printed on the box, I want to see what it's going to look like on paper. Henceforth, I did not want to buy other colors thinking, you know, oh, I want the Potter's Pink, which is this color right here, which it does granulate. I didn't want to buy that color and then get it here, pay the money for it, and it's on paper, and I absolutely hate the color, even though it looked a little different on the screen. So even though I'm sure it's a beautiful color, but nonetheless it would kind of save on purchasing. Oh wow, No, it looks like there's 4. So they'll be different. Yeah, so it'll probably be, you know, yeah, there's even the pearl colors, the iridescent colors. So, oh wow, those are really, really nice too. So I'll be kind of curious to see how everything's going to look once it actually gets on paper. It's going to take some time to do. Plus I have another little project going on with colored pencil and some watercolors as well. So guys, I hope you enjoy. If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe to my channel so you can get all the videos that I put on. Anyway, it'll give you some information and you can choose whether to purchase the whole set yourself. It would actually save you some money in the long run. So I hope it does. So until next time,